first and foremost, RIP Dolph. I'm at the pawn shop. I came back today. I was there yesterday. Here's a clip of me yesterday there. Rolling in, I hit these in a really good tight spot where people don't notice them. I got these for $130. These are worth about $240-ish. And then I got these 11s. They're worth about $100.
Bing bong.
But I came back today because I was in a crunch, so I couldn't really buy them yesterday. And these people like taking their sweet time, about 30 to 40 minutes just to make a deal happen. But let's go in here and grab them real quick. Alright, y'all, I just left the pawn shop. It legit took them about 22 minutes to check me out. I'm kind of pissed off today. I just had one person who's selling me some bread fours for $250, and I usually sell those for about $360, $380, around that price range. Flake on me today, so I'm kind of a little butthurt for the day, but it is what it is. I'm about to go to a DTLR, trying to make that money up real quick, so we'll go in there, see what shoes I can grab at the DTLR. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Alright, y'all, so I ended up with 3 pairs of the neons. They were actually, show you guys the receipt. They're like $59.99, and they go for a little bit on market, not too much, but still a little bit of money to be made on this.
Bing bong.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at this park, Dollar General thing. I'm picking up some shoes. This is close to like literally downtown, but legit, I'm telling you, it's that car right there. You gonna come all the way down here and park. It's right there. Pick these up. 8.5. Super clean. Let's go.
Bing bong.
Alright, literally 2 minutes away is the pawn shop, and then that way is DTLR. So we're gonna go to both places. Let's see what the pawn has for us today. So I looked around and seen these flints. These go for about $100, so it wasn't really worth it after tax. Same thing with these. These were worth about $120. Really not worth as much. Everything else they have is pretty much anything that I could make like $20 off of it, but it's not really worth it. I forgot to check the price on them flames, and then they still had these for a long time. I'm a lowball next time I go in there.
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo.
The DTLR is legit right here. Look at this. It's right there. This DTLR probably doesn't have anything because it's like a tier 3 store. It doesn't get the good stuff. It gets okay stuff, like it gets the basic releases and stuff, but it's not really up there like the one we were previously at. And so hopefully we get lucky with some garbage that's on sale. Location was kind of cramped a little bit, so I couldn't really record what they had, but they had a few things, and they had my favorite SKU for this week. These right here. I just left the DTLR, bought some dunks, some mids, and the air raids. So I'm gonna show you guys what's up in that car. Alright, shorty, we never had a sit down type of thing in a while, because I know you guys get bored of that shit. So let's get into it real quick. $65. These are selling for about $100, so there's about 30 to 20 bucks profit in this one. I haven't checked market, but I know it's a dunk, and it's only $100 retail, so I paid $108. I could sell these for $150 to $200. I don't know what market is, but I got it. Next up, we got these mids. I paid $130 after tax, and these are selling for about $180 to $200. Size 8, good size, money size. Now, let's go to maybe 2 pawn shops, and then I have to go back to the trap, deal with other stuff, and then maybe we'll come back tomorrow and loop a little bit more, because this shit's getting my blood rushing, bro. I'm so excited. And the excitement continues as we venture into another pawn shop. Alright, so I wanted to really record what was in that pawn. It was okay, like they had decent stuff, but the only issue was the shoes and the customer, the employee, they were literally right next to each other. So it kind of feels weird for me to record them like that. I know some other people have, they don't care. But for me, I make so much money off pawn shops. I want to be as stealth as possible, because I don't want them to know who I am. But once I build myself and put my foot in the door, that's when like I can negotiate, and then I'll get calls and stuff. So I just want to build that relationship, and so I'm not gonna really record. Anyways, all right, here's the dunk we got. Pretty ugly shoe, not really a big fan, but I'm hoping I can make a little bit of a coin. It just came out like today, so yeah, hopefully make some money off of this. Good shoe. Pulled up to a pawn shop across the street. I came here last week to pick up a pair of infrareds, but same problem again. Pawn shops take so long to process a deal. I had to come back when nobody was there. It was these infrareds. They're asking about $150, but the price did drop, and the guy tried to finesse me at the counter, but hell nah, I already knew what was up. So I got these for $120 out the door. My goal is to sell them for about $170. Everything else they had was kind of taxed, and it was like bare empty for some reason. but I'm not really mad at them because like stuff sells all the time. Look at these $200 tags, these Vapor Max tags, bro. Like these places are crazy, especially how used the shoes are. I just picked these up, $120. I've been selling pairs at like 175 to 200 range. Just gotta clean them up and yellow the bottoms. About a $50 to $80 profit margin on that one. Not that bad. This pawn shop tried to scam me, bro. These little kids, $150. No, I looked at the tag. I told them, hey man, this shit dropped in price. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go one more pawn shop this way. It literally used to have good stuff, but now it's dead. So I'm not really gonna waste my time going there. But other than that, I'll show you guys what I sold today as I pack stuff up. But right now I gotta go to the house and get something to eat real quick. All right, y'all, I was finishing to loop some more. So we're at the mall. We're gonna go to a Nike and a Finish Line, see what they got in there. The Finish Line was a buzz. The employees, again, literally in front of the shoes. So I can't record what they had, but it was all bricks, so it don't matter. Now down to Nike. I was gonna do a haul vlog of what Nike had, but literally they had nothing but just basic stuff. Foot Locker, Foot Locker, Foot Locker. Boy put them ugly shoes on display. Alright y'all, Foot Locker was a flop, but the funniest shit is this is a lady in a parking lot. You know those people who want to sell you the fake gold and stuff? And be like, oh, I need money and stuff like that. Them boys right here. And bro, what's up with the license plate? But yeah, that's them right there, boy. So low-key, if I was player hating, that man is right there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but the guy who watches the whole parking lot is right here. I could be snitching the whole time, brother. But yeah, about to go get me some food. I'm hungry. It's about 3 p.m. I think we left the house at like 1:30 or 12 o'clock. Probably like at 1:30 most likely. But yeah, made a few dollars. Happy for the day. But honestly, guys, I really appreciate you guys for checking me out. It really means the world to me that I can share my passion with other people. I learned a lot of my reselling skills 50-50, you know, 50%. I learned 50% of my resale skills through the internet, and so that's why I share what I do every day on the internet, so I can just pay it forward. And I learned the other 50% through just experience and dealing with shoes all day, every day. With that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Adios.
You click the like or dislike, well, I don't care button, but click something, goddammit.